Hi there, this is Jody, the creator of this social media planner, and this is just a quick preview of what you will get in this Notion template when you purchase it. So we are on the home page right now. On the left, you'll see quick links to all the pages within this template, and just space on the right for your general notes and reminders for yourself around your social media and content planning. Below that, I have embedded the detailed tutorial on the left here that takes you through all the pages and databases, again, in detail, so you know how to optimize and use this template. And on the right, it's a quick tutorial on how to set up a database for the full year, because there is a database within here that's set up for the full year with each date on a row. So I've showed you a quick way to do that. So let's go to the content calendar first. And this is where you'll store all of your content. And you'll see on the left, you'll have the content title. You can have a summary, its purpose. There's other options here. The content category or pillar, which platforms you'd like to post it on, and any stock images you're going to use. And then this archive button. So once you're done with a specific piece of content, if you choose yes under archive, you see that disappeared from here, that view, and it went into the archive view. So that's just to keep things nice and clean. Yeah, I'll fix that later. And then you'll see there's other views, so you can view all your content by platform. So anything that you want to schedule to Facebook posts or LinkedIn or Facebook Lives, and so on. And you can view by category pillar, you can view by purpose, and then again, the archive. So that is your content library. Below that, there is space to save testimonials from clients or customers to share within your content or on your social media. Below that is space for inspirational quotes to share as well if you're into that. So let's go to the next page, the content scheduling. So this is where you'll make an actual plan with specific dates and times for all of your content. At the top, you can set your goals or your daily activities that you want to do, such as posting, recording videos, or say if you want Mondays to be your content creation day, just say content creation there, and you can track that. There's template buttons to add more activities. Below that is your content status. So there's 4 views. You're urgent, you're in progress, you're completed, and you're not started. The urgent things will show up here with these 3 clocks when it's scheduled within 3 days or less, and you have not checked it off as done. So it will notify you. I like having this visual cue, so it's kind of an alert like this is coming up soon. It's scheduled to be posted, but you haven't finished it yet, or you just haven't checked it as finished. So here you'll pull in all your content from the library that we just went through, and the dates are all set up for you for the full year. You just choose which platform this applies to. So this is the blog post for the If You Think Blank content, and then you can these roll up automatically, the purpose and category. You can choose your status and then insert any specific graphics for the blog post itself and the blog post URL once you're done, and then it calculates how many days you have left and then updates this priority where necessary. And at the bottom, yes, you can write your post ideas, captions, brainstorming script right here. So then if we scroll down, I have inserted some special holidays and dates of note. So whatever dates you want to remember for your particular content, you can input here. And then there's just a calendar overview of all your scheduled content, so you can see the content title and the platform. So we'll just go back here. That's the content scheduling. The brand guide is a quick view and reference for all of your brand elements. You can write about your psychographics, demographics, vision, mission, core values here. There's just a vision board, space for your brand colors and all the hex codes and all those other codes. Logos, space for logos, fonts, and any visual elements. So then this is nice to share with your virtual assistant or anyone else who needs to reference it. The next page is analytics. So you can measure the analytics on all your platforms. I've set up space for 7 platforms. So here you'll see Hello February, and it will update your total followers overall between all the platforms based on your inputs. To change the month, you just go here to other months. I mean, you're going to see it in the tutorial, and you just choose which month you want. So you can always update that, and you can always update your followers based on your milestone reached. So I have a whole bunch of images preloaded there for you. So you'll always know your overall followers and then just celebrate here with the milestone. So then you can input all your analytics here for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, and your blog. So those are what I've set up. And of course, you can change any of those platforms to a different platform if you use a different one. And then there is space to save all your tools and resources that you'd use online. For example, Hootsuite and Planoly and Tailwind for Pinterest. You can view them by platform So this will show you all the tools you use for Instagram, for example, and you can view them by purpose. So if you need graphics, here's your tools and resources saved right here. So now let's look at one of the platform pages. So these are all links to the platforms. Each platform will look at Instagram. So everything we just went through, you'll see views here specific to Instagram only. So you can put your general to-dos, your goals, audience profile, and all the content categories that apply to your Instagram. Below that, you can list your posting to-dos, your video to-dos, or your reels to-dos, whatever you want to change these to. And then you can see your content status by month here for Instagram. So you can see here, this is a testimonial. I wanted to post it Jan 2nd. It's an IG post and it is posted. These ones, you're doing something, they're in progress. This one's not started. So you can see that for each month. And then you can see the calendar below that. Same thing, just calendar view. And then you can have all your optimal times to post here by day of the week. The tools and resources for Instagram only will be viewable here. You can view your grid preview based on the pictures you upload for each Instagram post you're going to do. And it's sorted by date. So this is how it should look on Instagram. So it's just a nice preview. You can save some audio files here, and you can save and organize some hashtags here. So that's everything for the social media planner. Again, you're going to have the same page as Instagram for all the other platforms. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much.